It held them to more accountability. Mr. Siemens says the current constitutional systems are the most anemic in the democratic world, and they need to be more consultative. The bill has been drawn, and it'll be debated next year. It can only come into force by referendum. A letter written by Albert Einstein in 1905, containing his most famous equation, has been sold at an auction in Boston. The letter, which contained the E equals mc squared equation, sold for about $1.66 million. The BBC's Terry Egan has more.
It's probably the most famous equation ever. E equals mc squared. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. This elegant equation altered forever how we think about time and space, suggesting that time was not an absolute. While this example, one of just 4 known to have been written down in his own hand by Einstein, came in a one-page letter to the Polish-American physicist Ludwig Silberstein. Silberstein had challenged many of Einstein's theories, not least in a debate, but time proved Einstein right.
That's the news.
On at the movies, films about women under pressure, from firefighter Angelina Jolie and Those That Wish Me Dead to Amy Adams, The Woman at the Window.
I'm not crazy. I know what I saw.
This is truly, I think we really found the perfect name, a shortwave boombox. So this is Radio New Zealand 13840. I don't know if you can hear the richness of the audio in this video, because I don't know if it actually really goes through the microphone of my phone, but man, this thing is absolutely beautiful. It even makes you want to listen to music on shortwave. It's just crazy. So more observations. What do I find positive, negative in this observation right now? Well, in general, mostly positive in general, but if I had to have some negatives about it, well, a crappy synchronous detector, the usual crappiness of Tecsun, they don't seem to, they just aren't capable of making a good synchronous detection on a radio. It's just funny. I don't know if it has to do with the way that they actually do single sideband or something, but it's not that great. But overall, there's a lot more positive than negatives. Once again, you know, I'm talking about this expensive radio. It's not something that everyone can buy. It is expensive, yes. It is a nice big radio, yes. I love it. But, you know, what you hear now, apart from the sound quality that's just amazing, well, the Tecsun PL330 is going to get the same signal. Tecsun PL330 will get Radio New Zealand with my external antenna. That's a simple fact. A simple fact that just tells you that a $60 radio gets this signal like this $300 radio. So, you know, we got to think about that, because our hobby is about being affordable and what actually is a good radio to get. I think the Tecsun PL330 blows away the competition for the price it is. This blows away the competition for the price it is. What I mean by that, St. Gian ATS 909X2 is a piece of crap compared to this thing. And I'm sorry if I say it that harsh, but it's almost the same price. I mean, it's not excusable. And St. Gian could have done a much better job at presenting us with a better radio. Imagine if we would have here the screen of the St. Gian on this thing, and imagine if we would had recording on SD card on this thing. That would be the best portable that exists in 2021, basically. But without these two features, it's still one of the best radios out there right now. Amazing radio. So Radio New Zealand 13840 kHz. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.
Be the front man or all sorts of things. People are looking at the other guys in the band, and I can just concentrate on playing, and I don't really have like the kind of artistic hat on. I play live, and that's correct. You don't have to say run or go.